Musamseleku is complaining about Makumalo's reaction, but he doesn't care about Makumalo when she is being abused on that marriage. Makumalo was abused by Musamseleku's wives, Mayeni and Macele. They are talk anything they want to say about Makumalo. Musamseleku doesn't have a problem. I think on Utando Nestembo season 2, Macele and Mayeni, they are asking Makumalo some of the questions why your friend is Musamseleku's secretary. So Musamseleku saw that it's Makumalo's issue. Musamseleku doesn't have a problem. Instead of defending Makumalo, why his wives are on Makumalo. You know that now Musamseleku is defending Mayeni, why Makumalo said Mayeni is delusional, and he take it serious. But when it comes to Makumalo, his wives, they are bullying Makumalo. Macele can say whatever she want to say to Makumalo. Musamseleku doesn't have a problem. Mayeni can say whatever she want to say about Makumalo. He doesn't have a problem. Guys, I watch Utando Nestembo season 2. The two of them, they are asking Makumalo too many questions about Mpumelelo. He asked a knife, and Makumalo says, go and took at your house. What? It's a problem to them, a serious matter. You understand? Musamseleku was watching it. He doesn't have a problem. But when it comes to Mayeni and Macele, Musamseleku was defending Macele on season 8. Makumalo was asking Macele some of the question, why you allow those Dumas people, you invite them in Muzumbe. Musamseleku on season 8, he called a meeting because he want to defend Macele. But when it comes to Makumalo, those people or those his wives are harassing Makumalo. He doesn't have a problem on that. Or maybe he can say Makumalo can defend herself because Makumalo, she is too strong. And now Makumalo is reacting now. Musamseleku started complaining why Makumalo, she is in such a way, what. Musamseleku failed to defend Makumalo all the time. He failed to defend her. And now Makumalo, she is defending herself. She is standing on herself. It's a problem again. You understand it? It's like maybe he want to be selfish, or Makumalo maybe everything want to please him every time. Guys, the time will come. You know that a person can be patient for a long time, but you can't be a patient for a long time. You end up being defeated sometimes, because Makumalo have got a hope that one day it will change, but Makumalo saw that this is not going to change. That's why you saw Makumalo on season 8, she started changing her character, because she saw that when she can't defend her own self or to deny some of the things, Makumalo is going to suffer on that marriage. So people, we have to stop judging her. Why Makumalo is doing in such a way, people, they say money can change a person. No, it's not about money changes Makumalo. When it was the right time, even Makumalo, you've got a house, she buy a house or not, even Makumalo doesn't have that house in Durban, or she doesn't have money. But when the right time comes, Makumalo was going to leave Musamseleku, and you've got a new life. So all the time, he doesn't defend. Musamseleku failed to defend Makumalo. We don't want to lie. Because those wives, guys, they are asking Macele and Mayeni, they call the whole family, Mangwawe, Makumalo, and Musamseleku. Musamseleku was very angry. Why those wives are calling me? They want to fix the issue. That's why they called him. That's why you saw Macele and Mayeni, they are being rude to Makumalo, because was the one who showed them that Makumalo, she doesn't matter. What I saw, because sometimes, guys, you know that Macele saw it. When it comes to Makumalo, he doesn't defend Makumalo. Even one day he stood up Musamseleku on that meeting. They have got a meeting, and they took a chance, because at that time Musamseleku stood up and leave the meeting. He leaves those wives, they are asking Makumalo some of the questions, and they are doing worse and keeping asking her some of the question. Mayeni and Macele, they planned it that we are going to ask her, and it was difficult because the person who was supposed to defend her, guys, it's Musamsele. When Musamsele who failed to defend his wives in front of other wives, what's going to be happen?